Serbia 27 Zulu, continue to holding point Delta 4, the full short runway will be number 2, number 1 will depart from Delta 1.
Copy. Continue taxi. Delta 4 as number 2. Will depart. Air Serbia 27 Zulu.
Serbia 27 Zulu, contact radar 133 decimal 13 and left.
3 Serbia 27 Zulu. Serbia 5 for Lima, request taxi.
Correct. Confirm Air Serbia 5 for Lima, requesting taxi.
Lima, request taxi.
Air Serbia 5 for Lima, taxi to holding point runway 12 right via Michael Alpha.
Alpha, hold point 12 right, Serbia 5 for Lima.
Serbia 6 to Tango, approaching Alpha, ready for departure.
Roger, Serbia 6 to Tango, taxi to holding point Delta 4 for runway 12 right and initially hold short of runway.
Taxi holding point Delta 4, runway 12 right, hold short runway, Serbia 6 to Tango.
Air Serbia 6 to Tango, runway 12 right, clear for takeoff, wind 150 degrees, 6 knots.
Runway 12 right, clear for takeoff, Air Serbia 6 to Tango.
Air Serbia 6 to Tango, contact Belgrade Radar 133 decimal 1.
331, Air Serbia 6 to Tango, svako dobro, prijetno.
Također prijetno.
Dubai ready for taxi again now, 1 Kilo Sierra.
Sky Dubai 1 Kilo Sierra, give way to Air Serbia Airbus 319 in front of you, behind traffic, taxi holding point 1 to right, Delta 1.
Copied behind Air Serbia, continue taxi, holding point Delta 1, Skyway 1 Kilo Sierra.
Air Serbia 5 for Lima, runway 1 to right, clear for takeoff, wind 130 degrees, 5 knots.
Takeoff 1 to right, Serbia 5 for Lima, thank you.
Air Serbia 5 for Lima, contact Belgrade Radar 133 decimal 1, bye bye.
331, Serbia 5 for Lima, thank you, bye, hold on.
Sky Dubai 1 Kilo Sierra, line up, wait, runway 1 to right.
Clear line up and wait, 1 to right, Skyway 1 Kilo Sierra.
Sky Dubai 1 Kilo Sierra, runway 1 to right, clear for takeoff, 170 degrees, 17 knots, gas near up to 31 knots.
That's copied, clear takeoff 1 to right, Skyway 1 Kilo Sierra, thank you.
For Alpha Bravo, confirm RMP approach for runway 1 to right.
That is confirmed, please for Alpha Bravo.
Roger, for Alpha Bravo, runway 1 to right, clear to land, wind 120 degrees, 5 knots.
Clear to land, 1 to right, please for Alpha Bravo.
Lufthansa 8 Juliet Charlie, maybe any intersection convenience for departure. Lufthansa 8 Juliet Charlie, terrific taxi via Lima Hotel to holding point runway 12 right, Delta 4.
Lufthansa 8 Charlie, taxi for hotel, holding point 12 right, Delta 4.
Lufthansa 8 Juliet Charlie, runway 12 right, surface altitude 280 degrees 4 knots. And Lufthansa 8 Juliet Charlie, contact radar 123.1, bye bye. Serbia 51 Unison, we're ready for departure.
For departure, 51
Serbia 51 Unison, line up and wait, runway 15 right.
Base runway 12 right, Serbia 51 Unison.